Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love, the support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. Yeah, it's about Biafra National League leader Prince. If you know him, you know that he's someone that is very calm, but he's doing his things step by step. And as we all know, he is in strong alliance with the Biafra Republic government in exile. But it's just like someone says something wrongly or misunderstand him about everything that is happening. Now here is respond. In fact, I don't know why some persons derive joy where there is problem, when they see some set of people that these people are working together, they will just try to make sure they sow a seed of discomfort among them. They will make sure they sow seed of problem among them. That is what they're about to do to him and the prime minister. But thank God for his wisdom. He just came and cleared the hair. Let it not be that I talk too much. Listen to him and I'll be right back.
Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good night, depending on your location, your time, and your location. I remember my humble self, Prince Will, Chimezie Richard. Yes, I just have a few advice for us, followers of the Biafran struggle, and also for us active participants in the Biafran struggle. The problem of some of you, I've realized that the problem of some of you is understanding. Your level, poor level of understanding. That's the problem of some of you. And some of you don't even want to, you don't want to learn. You don't want to even believe or accept the fact that you have poor thinking faculty. That you have low mentality. Some of you don't even know that. Even when you know, you want to show something you don't know, you jump into it. You jump into it. I realize that it's poor understanding, low mentality. Low mentality. And you don't want the words that you don't want to learn. You don't want to learn. Now, somebody posted something about me on Twitter yesterday night. I came across it. I read it. I've never seen my name anywhere before where somebody is accusing me of anything. Because since I've been in this role, I try to play safe. I try to avoid any issue with anybody. So nobody will come and start using me as an excuse or whatever. Yeah, somebody still try to drag me out, drag me when I have not said or done anything. Yesterday, if you look at the publication on our page, where we were giving, my admin published and giving serious warning to this fellow who is hiding under the Biafra Liberation page to be attacking me, although some people have also complained that how he also drags people on that page. And he posted, I didn't know what he said I said in the last video that I did. What he said I said against Mazi Simon in the last video that I did. And that is what I mean by what? Low mentality, poor understanding. Poor understanding of people. He read another meaning to what I said. He read another meaning to what I said. I went to Twitter and twisted it. That I'm a betrayer, I'm this, I'm that. I don't know how I betrayed him. I don't know how I betrayed him. Me and him no go war. I live and run. So I don't know how I betrayed him. I can only betray if we go to battlefield and I leave you, abandon you there and run away. That's when you can call me a betrayer. That is only the black marine that are working. Probably I'm not happy that black marine is in conjunction with Biafra Republic government in Exile. That I'm not happy. That I'm trying to. You can see that. If such person is reasonable enough, he has understanding. He should know those or who behind the black marine. He wouldn't have come out to do what? To say nonsense, to ridicule himself, because he ridiculed himself. How can I be jealous? I won't be happy that black marine is working in conjunction. And he never asked himself, this black marine, who are they? Who are they? He never bothered to ask. He wants me to tell him not to. I will not. Before somebody begin to say vomit nonsense, you should make inquiries, proper inquiry. Because if you post nonsense, then you end up ridiculing yourself. I read it. I smiled. I said, look at it. And some of them, not only him, some fools too that are part of his own category of low mental people. I also saying the same thing. BNL is not working. BNL is not working. It's only black marine that is working. It's only black marine. And they won't ask, who is black marine? Who are black marine? Can anybody tell me who are black marine? They want me to tell. They want you to come out from them. Which people be black marine? If BNL is not working, because you are not seeing in the news that BNL bombed Aso Rock. BNL is a civilian pro-Biafran movement. And then you come again. You say, yeah, it's only black marine that is working. It's only black marine that is working. You go and start saying all sort of nonsense. All sort of nonsense. Some of you even messaging the Prime Minister, Mazi Simon, that BNL is not working. BNL is not working. BNL is not working. What you don't know is what is bigger than you. You will never know because you don't want to know. You will never know because you don't want to know. And you will not know. It's better I tell you. If I don't tell you to be in my mind, it's better I come out and voice it out. Many of you should stop fooling yourselves. Don't do what? Stop fooling yourselves. Stop fooling yourselves. If you don't know the importance or advantage of BNL in the struggle, you just hide your face. Hide your face. Some of you are just there writing blah 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 blah. You can't come out for anything. You can't come out for anything. There was an attack in Bakassi against the Rapid Intervention Battalions. And that report came out that suicide bombers have bombed the military checkpoint there in Bakassi Peninsula. And the report came out, suicide bombers, and a lot of people expressed concern, which I was also following carefully. And I know why it was styled suicide bomber. Then that headline was corrected by Mazi Simon, that they shouldn't, that the people that carried out the attack is what? Is Black Marine, and not any suicide bomber, because it is not a good message to international community saying that, oh, Biafrans have suicide bombers. I corrected it. And I saw another of his posts that also, that one was the one that funnied me. I was laughing when I was reading it, that the Cameroonian forces have been dislodged. And I came here and made a video that, I read Mazi Simon's post that got me laughing, that Cameroonian forces have been dislodged. And I was asking, is it not the same people that dislodged Black Marine? How come Black Marine have dislodged them, these same people? I was asking a general question. And somebody with poor brain had to interpret what I didn't even mean. Reasonable people know that I was cracking joke from what Mazi Simon posted, that the people that dislodged Black Marine have been dislodged. And he took it personal, started writing rubbish against me on the page. On the page. I think I'm glad he has been cautioned. Even as I check, he's still writing. Even after whether he's after apologizing or whatever. And those that are commenting under my post, those that are doing this, those that are doing that. I've told my admin, nobody should make any further publication. They should leave the fool to continue to write. I only want to, because why I'm saying it, because some of you also have that same mentality. Probably what is he has been nothing in his mind, or what he wrote is the same thing too that some of you are also saying or thinking or talking. You say something, people, you come out and talk without reasoning. You are not sure of what you are saying, you come out and gossip, you begin to gossip anyhow. I'm not that kind of person. Nobody can blackmail me. Nobody can blackmail me in this struggle. Things have been in this one, nobody can blackmail me. So anything you like, go and write. I don't send anybody. That's my life. That's my life. Anything you like, Prince will do you. I don't send anybody. So I will advise some of you to mind your business. If BNA is not working, fine, leave it like that. Those who know that BNA is working, I'm comfortable with those who knows. You that doesn't know, you are not seeing what BNA is doing, but you are seeing the one Black Marine is doing, but you are not seeing the one BNA is doing. Leave it like that. So far you are seeing the one Black Marine is doing. Leave it like that. So that is my advice, my general advice for you all. You push many of you more na cash sense.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye bye.